Hi everyone, so if you haven't seen the last video, look what arrived. I'm currently in the freezing cold kitchen, trying to be as quiet as I possibly can because everyone's asleep right now, but I'm so excited to show these. So I'm probably going to keep the voiceover short and sweet. I've put words up on the screen showing you what they're all called, and I'm going to put some music on for you and relax and enjoy looking at all these beautiful colours. Oh, they're so pretty. If you want to hear me talking, go and see the last video where I showed you in depth all the colours and all the swatches for them. See you in a bit. Bye.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Okay, I'm back. These are all done. So I've matte top coated everything, and then I went back with the white top coat on all the glittery bits and the red heart lollipop and the little red heart that's on the top of the cupcake, and then I put a little gem on the middle of that bow. Sorry it was such a short one and I haven't really been able to talk, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless, and let me know what your favourite colour is, what your favourite nail is. If you're going to go and get these, don't forget you can use my code LittleNailRoom30 to save 30% at madamglam.com. There's a link in the description box down below as well with all their names and everything. But for now, I'm going to go and get myself tucked into bed because it's far too late. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this design, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!